Hello all, welcome to Xiaokai's talk, introducing a high current metal button from Kacon. High current metal button, as the name implies, one of its load currents is relatively large, like our regular apertures of 22 and 25. It can carry a current of 15A in a DC 24V environment. Even if it is a perceptual load, it can reach 4A. 16 apertures, 19 apertures can reach 18A in DC 12V environment. The emotional load can reach 5A. The switch design is very exquisite. 304 stainless steel shell, 316 button piece, suitable for long-term button touch. Will not wear our button surface. Can have red, yellow, blue, green, white, orange. Luminous element. Glue DC universal choose voltage. Whether it is AC or DC can be used. Can adapt to environmental temperatures ranging from 40 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. 3 pairs of contact points can be adapted to quick connectors. Wireless. Convenient connection. Detailed introduction of Kacon high current metal button by Kacon Company. If your device needs similar products, leave a message in the comment section. We'll reply promptly. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.